Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers using prime factorization. Before discussing this question, first of all, we should know what is HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. Okay. For finding the HCF, we have two methods. One is prime factorization method, another one is long division method. How do we find HCF using prime factor method? We will discuss first. Okay, so first of all, we have to find all the prime factors of 72. How to find the prime factors? You see here, I have written the question 72. Like this, we will find the prime factors. Okay, you see here, always for finding prime factor, begin from 2. If the given number is not divisible with 2, proceed ahead to 3, then 4. Means we will do line wise with the given number. We will not directly reach to 9. Like 9 8s are 72, like that. Okay. So is this number divisible with 2? Yes, it is divisible, because in ones place it is even number. So we will write here 2. Means we are dividing this 72 with 2. In the table of 2, you see the first digit first. 7 is coming? No. 3 times 6 is coming, na? So we will write here 6. We will write here 3. Then what is remaining here? 1. Na? Because 2 3 times we get 6. 1 is remaining. That 1 is shifted to the next digit, which become 12. Now 2 6s are 12. Like this we do the HCF solution. Now we have to see that this number, that is 36, is this divisible with 2? Yes, this is also divisible with 2, because in ones place is even number. So again we will write here 2. We will see the first digit first. So first digit is 3. In the table of 2, 3 is not coming. Before 3, 2 is there. So 2 comes how many times? 1 times, na? So we will write here 1. Now 1 again is remaining here. That 1 will shift towards this number. It will become 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Now we will see that 18 is divisible with 2 or not. So yes, 18 also is divisible with 2. How many times? First of all, we'll write here 2. In the table of 2, 18 comes how many times? 9 times. So we'll write here 9. Now you see here, we get 9. So is this 9 divisible in the table of 2? No, 9 is not divisible. Now we can shift to the table of 3. Okay, when we will shift to another table? When the given number is not divisible with 2. So 9 is divisible in 3, na? So we'll write here 3. In the table of 3, this 9 comes how many times? 9 comes 3 times, na? In the table of 3, 9 comes 3 times. So we'll write here 3. Again, 3 will be coming in the table of 3 how many times? 1 times. And this I told you in previous class also, when we get 1, we will not move ahead. Leave it as it is. That means the prime factors of 72 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. After this, we will find the prime factors of 84. What are the prime factors of 84? Again, we will begin with 2 only. Okay. So why we will begin with 2? Because we have here 4 in even in ones place, that is even number. So we'll write here 2. In the table of 2, 8 comes how many times? 4 times. So we'll write here 4. In the table of 2, 4 comes how many times? 2 times. So we'll write here 2. Again, this number you will see 42 is coming in the table of 2 or not. So will 42 come? Yes, because in ones place is the even number. So we'll write here 2 again. We will see the first digit first of all. So first digit is 2. That will come 2 times. And this 2 will come 1 times. Now we have the number which is 21. Is this 21 divisible with 2? 21 is not divisible. We'll shift towards 3. In the table of 3, 21 is coming? Yes. So we'll write here 3. How many times 21 comes? 7 times, right? So we'll write here 7. Now we see here we are having the number which is prime. 7 is the prime number, right? So prime number comes in its own table. So we'll write here 7 1 times. And when we get 1, we'll not move ahead. So then the next step is 72 and 84. What are the prime factors of 72? All these numbers are the prime factors. We'll write like this. These are the prime factors of 72. Okay. Then we will write the prime factors of 84. What are they? 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. After writing the prime factors, we will see the common factors. Common means those which are there in both the numbers. First common factor you can see is 2, right? So we will write here 2. Whatever is common, that number we will write. Another common factor, again we have 2, right? So we will write this next 2 also. This 2 was common, so I have written here. Then this 2 is also common. After this, which is the common number? If you will see here, this is 2, but we don't have another 2 here. So no need to write this number. We have another common number as 3. So we will write here 3. Now this 3, 7 and 2 do not have any other common number now. So we don't want to see those numbers. Now what we have to do? Multiply these numbers. That is 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 is your HCF using prime factorization method. This is how we do prime factorization for finding HCF. First of all, finding the prime factors. After finding the prime factors, we will write the common ones. And after writing the common ones, we'll multiply the number. Then we'll get the HCF of the solution.